to issues of national security and interest, Mr. Chair. If I may proceed, Mr. Chair. Bilang mayor, Ma'am Alice, in line with your vision, paunlarin ang Bamban, bigyan ng kaunlaran ang taga-Bamban. Ano po ba ang mga kumpanya na dumating sa Bamban during your time as mayor of Bamban?
During my time po, dumating po ang Jollibee, dumating din po ang McDonald's, dumating din po si RCS po na isang supermarket chain, and supposedly may mga darating pa mga factories and restaurants po, ma'am.
And would you confirm that it was also during your time nung dumating ang Baofu?
No po, ma'am.
You don't?
Ang Baofu po is not 2022 po, ma'am.
But the business permit signed by you shows the date October 25, 2022.
Ma'am, I think may previous po na mayor's permit. Nag-start po
Let
yan
me
2000.
rephrase my question. Therefore, it was during your time nung na-renew ang business permit ng Baofu. Do you agree to that?
Sorry, Your Honor, anong year po?
2022, October 25.
October 20. I think po. Opo.
You are the mayor already. As a matter of fact, if the Secretariat can show the business permit of Baofu was signed by Miss Alice Goo in her capacity as mayor. And would you confirm as well na yung Zunyu One Tech dumating din at naisuhan ng business permit during your time?
Your Honor, I issued the mayor's permit for Zunyu 1 because meron po silang pack-car license po na pinakita po sa amin.
May we direct the resource speaker, Mr. Chair, to limit her answer to the question. The question, Ms. Alice Goo, is, pinatototohanan mo ba na sa panahon mo bilang mayor, June 27, 2023, na-create ang Zunyu 1 at na-issue ang business permit?
Your Honor, I issued the permit for Zunyu 1 with the attachment of pack-car license po nila.
But you confirmed that you issued the business permit.
I issued the business permit with the attachment po ng pack-car license po nila.
Thank you.
Thank you
How
po.
about Hongsheng Corporation? When was this established?
Your Honor, for Hongsheng, I'm not sure with the exact date po.
And you will agree with me also that during the Senate hearing, etong tatlong kumpanyang ito, whenever you are being interpellated, palaging nababanggit.
Yes po.
Tama ba?
Yes po.
Can you enlighten us? Ano po ba ang naging koneksyon, partisipasyon nyo dito sa tatlong kumpanyang ito kung bakit parating nababanggit ang mga kumpanya na to?
Your Honor, I think 2018 or earlier, hindi lang po talaga ako sure sa exact year, the land of the Baofu belongs to me. And I sold...
What year is that, Miss Alice?
Your Honor, 2018 or 19.
2018. You are the owner of the land of Baofu.
Of the land.
2018.
Yeah, 18 or 19.
You are not yet the mayor.
I'm not yet the mayor.
Okay.
In 2021, I divest the entire property to the corporation po.
And can you please cite the exact date when you divested yourself of your interest in Baofu?
2021.
September 21, 2021.
I believe so po, ma'am.
And that is 7 days before you filed your certificate of candidacy for mayor of Bamban.
Okay.
What therefore is the significance of your ownership of this land with respect to Baofu, Hongsheng, and Sunyuan? Ano pong kahalagahan ng pag-aari nyo?
Your Honor, after year 2021, I owned the land before year 2021. After year 2021, wala na po ako pag-aari. Hongsheng, I don't belong. Zunyu 1, I don't belong din po.
What therefore is the connection of Baofu with Hongsheng?
Baofu and Hongsheng, as what I understand, Baofu is the property owner and Hongsheng is the licensee po.
How about Baofu and Zunyuan?
Baofu and Zuanyuan, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the documents they showed us is Zunyuan leased the partial, I think, 3 floors of Baofu. I think we have the contract of it.
In other words, Ms. Alice, even the buildings which are erected on the lands are owned by Baofu? Tama ba yun?
Your Honor, I think I'm not the right person to answer, but as what I understand po, from the documents we get from Zunyo 1 before, yes po.
You mentioned earlier sometime in 2018 to 2019, ikaw ang may-ari ng lupa.
Yes, ma'am.
Then sometime thereafter, nilipat mo sa Baofu.
We form a company. Ang pinaka-share ko is the property. Ang usapan po namin...
What is the name of the company?
Baofu.
Baofu.
Yeah. And when the initial plan was housing. However, nung ang usapan ay maglalabas na ako ng in cash, initial agreement was only the property, ang pinaka-share ko. And nung usapan ay maglalabas na ako ng pera, hindi na po ako pumayag, I divested already. And after that po, hindi ko na po alam.
Matagal ka ng negosyante, Alice, tama ba?
Your Honor, yes po.
And I wish to share the list of the companies owned by Goo family. Secretariat, please. As a matter of fact, based on my research, your family owned 11 out of 12 listed companies, no? The significant observation, Miss Alice, ang may-ari nung 11, lahat family members. And I would assume na mas komportable ka na ang kanegosyo mo ay family member. Tama ba yon?
Your Honor, yung nakita ko po sa harapan ko po, hindi po lahat sa akin. And then, or sa
But your
amin.
name is listed.
Yeah, yung isa po dyan ay yung 1, 2, 3. Yung iba po dyan ay hindi po nag-operate. Hindi po natuloy yung mismong company.
Nevertheless, would you confirm that majority of these companies, your name is listed as one of the owners?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the names of your family members are likewise listed as one of the owners. Do you confirm?
Yes, Your Honor.
In other words, Miss Alice, sa usapang negosyo, naniniwala ka na dapat ang kasama sa negosyo kilala mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Naniniwala ka din na dapat ang kasama sa negosyo pinagtitiwalaan mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
At bago magkaroon ng tiwala, dapat kilala